All right, good morning. Happy Thursday morning. Today is Thursday, December 19th. It is 5:24 a.m. Going to go ahead and get started. There's a lot going on the markets today. All right, first off is the Aussie dollar Swiss franc. The Swiss franc is getting stronger against the Aussie dollar. As you can see here, it's broken its previous low, which was .55948, and looks like it's going to continue to get stronger. That Aussie dollar is just continuing to get weak. So this is a good trade to consider. All right, next up is the Great British Pound Aussie dollar. This this trade here is really a good trade. The British pound is taking off this morning. It is really taking off against a few pairs as we're going to go over here. Look at this. This is great. Look at their lagging span above price action, far away from the price action. Conversion line up, baseline up, green cloud forming. This is a beautiful trade to consider. So you really want to consider this trade. It is on a breakout. It has broken this previous high point here, which was 2.00283. That was back in August. And you saw where it reached that point, and then there was a hard pushback. So it is broken that. So this is on a roll now. That is the Great British Pound Aussie Dollar. All right, next is, let's see here, Great British Pound CAD. The Great British Pound CAD is on a roll as well, as you will see here once it comes up. Same thing, beautiful trade. Look at there. But like I said, you see this baseline is still beneath the cloud. And like I told you yesterday, what happens is the conversion line only goes so far away from the baseline and then it will come back down. So you want to, if you're going to trade this trade, you want to trade carefully because it looked like it could pull back at any second. But it's still on a roll. But if you do, just trade with caution. Another beautiful trade to consider. All right, next is the Euro Great British Pound. Euro GBP. Beautiful trade here coming up. Let's see. All right. As you can see, the British pound is getting stronger against the euro. It is right here on the cusp of its lowest point, which was back on the 11th. So, and this is about to drop as well because you see the conversion line is curved as well as the baseline, and it is beneath the cloud, and the lagging span is beneath the price action. So this is about to break. So you want to watch this trade. If you go ahead and enter, use proper risk management, or if you want to wait for a little bit and wait till it breaks that point, you can. But this is a great trade to consider as well. All right, next up is the Great British Pound JPY. This has been on a tear this morning. It's already gone like two or 300, almost 300 pips this morning so far. So as you see, as you can see here, it just burst right out of that cloud, right out of that cloud. The upward cloud is just forming. So what's more than likely is going to happen when you have a breakout like this? It's going to go up, and then it's going to come back down to the cloud a little bit, and then it's going to maybe bounce around and then go up. So if you want to trade this is a beautiful trade to consider. As you can see here, the lagging span has just broken above the price action. So this is a fresh start here. So this is a fresh start. So the Japanese yen is getting weak again against the British pound. Now, this is a beautiful trade to consider. Very beautiful trade to consider. All right, next up is the Great British Pound Kiwi. Great British Pound Kiwi. Another great trade that I'm actually in myself. I've been in it for a little while here. And as you can see, it's still continuing to go up. This has been a beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. And it's been up for one, two. This will be day three. So this thing is just rolling right along. Actually, it's been going up since the 27th of November. So the whole month of December, basically, it's been on an uproar. So the British pound is getting stronger, definitely. And this has been a beautiful trade for me. So hopefully you got in because I know I've recommended it a couple of times and I'm recommending it again. Definitely a trade you want to consider. Lagging span well above and far away from the price action. Baseline's pointing up, conversion line's up, green cloud is forming. Well, you're already in the green cloud, but it's even forming to probably get bigger. So definitely a trade you want to consider. All right. Last but not least, this is the US dollar, Japanese yen. USD JPY. This one is on a complete breakout. There is no doubt about it. As you can see here, we got this big long bar. And like I told you before, previously with the Great British Pound JPY, normally what happens is when it breaks out of a cloud, it'll go up and then come down and bounce around. But this one just bounced on top of the cloud and now it's just continuing to go up. So this is going to be a huge move here. You see we're already in upward cloud, another a green upward cloud is forming. The price action, the lagging span is breaking just above the price action. So this is just starting, ladies and gentlemen, just starting. So this is a beautiful trade to consider as well. All right, that's it for today. Hopefully I gave you some nice trades to consider. I'll be going live here shortly, just for a little bit. I've never done live before, so today I said I'll give it a try. So um, if you're online, you're welcome to come in. It'll be a short, quick live, like I said, because I just want to try it out and see how it's going to work. So, all right, good luck, and hopefully you'll have a profitable week. I'll see you next time. Take care.